The urgent weather message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams, the National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 56, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 56 has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Branch County in southwestern Michigan, western Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fremont or 11 miles northeast of Angola, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Angola, Hillsdale, Jonesville, Fremont, Pioneer, Redding, Long Lake, Ray, Cambria, Kinderhook, California, Ransom, Camden, North Adams, Montgomery, Clear Lake, Bear Lake, Allen, York, and Lake Wilson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 355 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 143 and 155. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following county: Williams, Ohio. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Richland County, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, eastern Marion County, northern Morrow County, Crawford County, until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bellevue to 6 miles south of New Washington to near Cardington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Sandusky, Norwalk, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Mount Gilead, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, New London, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Northern Mile End, and Mile End. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Erie, Huron, Marion, Morrow, Richland, and Seneca.